gotta stay on your toes. Shit changed like the seas. When I heard my grandma died, shit, I couldn't even believe it. I couldn't see her in that casket like that. You niggas don't feel my pain. I was dealing with some shit, so I ain't dropped for a minute. But I'm back giving this game. I got a whole lot of ice to belly rock my chain. You ain't gotta like me, but respect my name. If they see me upstate, baby, as you go hang, I got a condo out the way. We can chill for a day and talk numbers, huh? Yeah, I'll let it go. Sorry. Bring it again. Love you.
It's cracking. All right, guys, you know what it is. I'm so excited. We're getting ready to go. Let's do this. All right. Okay. All right. Remember, get your charts up in case there's a delay. I'm here to help. You know how we do. Um, all right. Let's get it together. SPY on the bottom, Tesla on the top. All right. 9:30. Already bearish. I'm gonna go with this is probably gonna be bearish time today, guys. So y'all just get ready to be put. That's what it's looking like. Do your own analysis. I'm here to guide you through the party. We had heavy put pressure yesterday. Blackstone, BlackRock crumbled because of Trump saying that the housing market, he wants Americans to buy houses as he should. And so corporations should not be buying houses anymore. And BlackRock tanked because of that. So let it shake out. We want to at least let a color change event occur on the 2-minute chart before we enter in a trade. SPY is already starting off range. It's shot up to the high, shot up to the low, but we need to see a full on color change event. I think Tesla's going to go down to 415 without any hesitation, to be honest with you. But that is what I'm seeing here. IWM is already shooting up. Let's see. Yep, IWM. Meta's falling, IWM up. Okay, so far, IWM is the only one with strength. Tesla, we're going to see if it's going to do a bounce back at the 22 level. That's where we know the bounce backs occur. All right. We got our levels up. I want you guys to make sure you guys are taking a look at the tickers that are going up above. That's really super important. Let me make these longer. You can see these tickers as they rise. IWM, super strong. What is IWM's length? So I can tell you guys right now. IWM has a high at 258, so it has a ability to get to a $3 move at the top. I, of course, am not in anything until I see a color change event. It already happened. The color change event did already happen on Tesla. Green. Can it pass the box? Where's my box at? There we go. There we go. Sorry, guys. Let me get the box done. Why it's all there we go, guys. Gotta get your blocks in. All right. Okay, so as we see, SPY came up above the box bottom. Tesla already touched the bottom of the box, so it could be a possible range from here to 437.48. Right. I think IWM can get to 258 easy. Let's see here. Six. Yeah. SPY coming down. Remember the box area. Pay attention. Tesla is inside of the box. So we've been looking at our 50%. We're looking at the edge of the box. Remember, we never, ever, ever get in while it's in the middle of two of the zones. That is our rule of thumb, guys. So make sure you understand that. Right. Make sure. So right now, as you can see, Tesla originated off the 22, which makes me feel safe that it could possibly go to 433 with no problem. SPY, on the other hand, originated in the middle of a zone we're not touching. All right. I was listening to Larry June. Numbers, don't hit my line unless you're trying to talk numbers. Don't hit my line unless you want to trade. Okay? Okay, thank you. Don't do it. All right, here we go. We're looking over on the tickers as well. When we see our tickers, we want to make sure that we're looking for anything that has the blue candle. That means full on tanking. Okay. So if we see anything that says blue candle, go hard puts. Of course, look at your chart first, but seriously, go hard puts. IWM is already pleasing us, getting there to 256. Easy work. That's easy work. Apple dropping. Y'all know Warren Buffett sold Apple. So understand that there's probably a lot of shorting going on with Apple. Warren Buffett bought Google. XLE is moving up. Some great tickers, guys. This is some great movement right now. QQQ down. SPY still ranging. IWM 936. Hitting the 256 level as we speak. Remember, it said it could go to 258 on IWM. I don't know. Tesla is just not it for me. I don't know what's Tesla doing with its life. I think Tesla really doesn't have it. I don't know. It's not my favorite. I really want to switch it to IWM. Will y'all be mad if we switch it to IWM? All right, SPY. Looks like it's going up. Silver is going up. Silver's passing the 72 moving average. So you know that means usually power. SQQQ is added. It's increasing volume, which means, well, it depends on which way it's going. If SQQQ is doing that, see, I mean, SPY is going to go down, guys. If SQQQ is going up, understand that your inverted best friend. SQQQ is going up. It does look like it's hitting an area though. But if SQQQ goes up, SPY goes down. Okay. All right. I'm looking at SPY. I want to get into a put at 688. I'm waiting patiently. PLTR dropping. QQQ dropping. SPY. I told you where I want to do with SPY. I need to see it hit 686. It needs to cross this green. It's still in, I call it congestion. When I see three candles lined up, four candles lined up, and nothing has cleared yet, that's congestion for me. That's like having a snotty nose. It's stuffy. It's moving slow. It's not cute. Okay, Tesla looks like it is breaking out of its congestion to the upside. I need SPY to get out of its congestion. QQQ is out of congestion, going straight down nicely. IWM hit 256. Hope nobody got in. Y'all know my rule. Yup. There we go. Congestion on SPY going down. SQQQ is going up. What we talking about switching on? Which ticker, IVR? Which ticker you did a switch up? I feel like SPY is dumping. Of course, well, SQQQ is going up. So remember, if y'all do SPX around 10. So it's cheaper and not going to eat at your situation. SQQQ continues to go up. IVR, what ticker did a switch? Which one? As I'm waiting. What did we switch up on? I'm looking at flow, guys. Let's see. Flow puts. Somebody just dropped $907 on puts. Let me put this on slow mo. This thing is moving so fast. Lord have mercy. Where is slow mode? Snowflake. Okay, focus mode. Good. Okay. Oh, no ETFs. We want ETFs. We just want it slower. Snowflake mode. I guess it's not going to give me stuff. Oh, IWM. Yeah. It's here goes our first color change event on IWM actually is at 256. So if it can break 256, it might go to 258 easy. All right. SQQQ kind of stumbling. Let's see. Okay, IWM. 2 minutes. All right, so if IWM can hold above 186 and hold, I say 258, SQQQ continues to go up, which means that is bullish for SPY. Again, it is in the middle of a level. I do not fool with it in the middle of a level. This is nothing but congestion. Tesla is in the middle. It's touching the edge of the box. All right, there we go. There is volume now. Let's get it. It just hit the box. It could pivot off. Let's see. Can it break it? Trade your stop loss. IWM full on coming down on 186 reverse. Everything is selling. PLTR dumping. Jesus, Apple dumping. Oh gosh. Guys, puts QQQ dumping. Let's get it. I mean, it looks like all red on my screen. And as you can see, if you look over here, it does say what it's saying. It's saying red QQQ. Oh, goodness. Okay, yeah, guys. We're gonna go in on this. Here we go. QQQ is like falling apart. All right. Because SQQQ is shooting up, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to go ahead and get into SPY once it breaks this level, and I'm going to ride that to 680, 680. QQQ is falling. I'm looking at SPY 686 put. I'm also going to go ahead and wing it with SPX. I'm just going to do one though, because y'all know SPX will break you off. Something proper. I'm up $40 on 14%. My goal is to see, can it get up? Can it get to 686? Can we do 686? Or are we reversing? Remember, I said I wanted to break the box. And then break it yet. SQQQ is reversing. That range box. Once we know what this is, and we can go ahead and get in. IWM looks like it might want to go. SLV is going up. Mm-hmm. Okay. Tesla looks like it wants to come around and come down here. Let's see what we're doing. Remember, SPY is in the middle of its box. So it's also under the 50% line of its box. So it is in the bottom half of the box. Let's see. All right, Tesla looks like it's giving us a push up. Still congested. As you can see, that SPY came up to where all the other congested bars were. That's why it's so important to get a clearing. All right. I'm waiting patiently to see what is it going to do in this box. It is on the bottom end of the SPY box. Bottom end. If we can break and hold 86. We're looking for puts on the downside. That's it. That's the only way it's going to go down. Okay. IWM, red dots. Let's see what else. Okay, what are we doing? QQQ just looked like it pulled back. QQQ is moving much more cleaner than SPY. If anybody is interested, just letting you know. QQQ is just tech. Tech is not doing too great today. They so focused on oil, they ain't even thinking about tech, if we're being honest. Tesla is in the energy sector as well. Okay. All righty. Can we break 86? If we can break and hold 86 below our range box, we might have a good put play. Mm-hmm. Let's see what's happening. Everything seems, I know. Ooh, something just came in the flow. One sec. I can't see. Oh, geez. Google puts. Ooh, somebody just bet big against Google going down. SQQQ rising. SPY falling. So lesson number 1 here is, remember, do not trade in the congestion area. When you have multiple bars stacked up back to back to back, those areas are dirty areas. It's not clean. So you just have to sometimes be patient or find another ticker. Yeah. But don't get mad at the market. Let's see, because it's still in congestion area on SPY. However, SQQQ looks like it's coming. I'm just waiting for some momentum. Jeez, guys. Let me see. Oop. Where did Tesla go? Sorry. Here we go. In the middle of the box, like Roddy Rich. Okay, I'm waiting patiently. Y'all really should check out SQQQ. I played that one time. It moved a little slow for my taste, but it was very informative. But it is a great hedging piece. Mhm. Okay, looks like SPY is getting out of the congestion area, but I need to see it break those wicks on the left for me to be convinced. Why is it taking so long? You know? That's always a sign for me. If it's taking so long, it's like, what does that mean? You gotta think about it when you're dating somebody, when they're taking a long time to commit, that's not always a good sign. You know what I mean? When you gotta be like, so what are we doing? How about don't do anything with them? Let me know what your direction is, okay? Then we can talk about it. And that's what the market really is like, a wishy-washy person until it really is ready to make its decision. Okay. All right. Staying in the middle of the box. Snooze fest. QQQ did so amazing this morning, dropping down. I hope somebody got into that. I'm telling you, I think that some things are collaborating right now. All right, SQQQ is pushing. Oh yeah, SQQQ is getting heat. So, we might have a little range area with SPY today, guys. It seems that it's bouncing up under the 200 moving average. QQQ is starting to tank back down and clean up that congestion area. Tesla puts are coming in on flow. IWM is actually doing its full on U-turn on the 2-minute chart. If it can break under 186, I will consider puts on that. SQQQ is strong going up. That means SPY is going down. QQQ tanking. Jeez. I'm watching all the charts. XLE going up. SPY clean. It needs to break that. So basically you can do like half of a move from one end to the other, or you can wait for clean area out of the box. Those are your options with SPY today. Very junky, let's say. It's just like, ugh. There's just other tickers that look better today. Tesla coming down underneath that box half. Okay. What are we seeing over here? Tesla coming down for sure. SPY just sitting in like a duck. This is where you want to do like tester trades, where you're like, okay, it could go either way. So trade your stop loss. Name a number that your stop loss is. If your stop loss is $100, then guess what? Get $150 contract of a put and 150 going the other way. One of them's gonna win. But trade your stop loss. Yesterday, the market started to tank at the end of the day, knocking the SPY off of its pedestal. OMG. OMG, guys. So here's the thing. It is pushing down, but when it's rapid like that, be careful. That could mean a huge continuation going down, but it could mean a fly up the other way. So let's see what it does. I would feel comfortable adding positions when it breaks the box. If it can break it. If it can break the box, I'm going in. That's my goal today. I just hope it does before 10:30 because I got things to do. I like getting out of here by 10:30, guys. What about you? Okay, here we go. As QQQ continues to move up, showing bearish for SPY. Mhm. All right. I mean, everything seems to be bearish currently. It's tapping against the wall on SPY. If it can break it, it might be a free fall. It is Thursday, and Thursday big trends can usually happen. Not saying always, but you can almost guarantee at least 3 Thursdays out of a month you're going to have a nice move. So it hit that 86. If it can break 86 and break the box, I'm interested in adding positions. IWM is coming down smooth. Ooh, wee. Nice IWM. Okay. All right, SPY, what are we doing? Just hit the 86 level. A lot of bears volume coming in here. Just saw SQQQ have increasing volume poured in. Oh goodness. Do y'all have the neighborhood app on your phone? It is so juicy. My boy Wes put me on that. He was like, you can see all kind of cool stuff going on in the neighborhood. Lots of good things. Lots of weird things too, by the way. All right. Looks like there's some selling momentum trying to get in the SPY. It's really just trying to push that. The neighborhood app is popping today, guys. Hey, Wes. Uh, all right, what are we doing? I mean, it is literally hanging down in the low. It's like low hanging fruit with SPY right now. So, two things could happen. It could continue to go low, but either way, it's in a very rangy area. I say the winner today was QQQ, just dropping. It was really nice, a really nice drop. All right, let's see. All right, IWM. Again, guys, it just doesn't seem like it wants to really push higher. I'm not getting the vibe from that. Getting some very hesitant situations here. And that usually means there is a dump around the corner. I mean, usually it knows what it wants to do when it wants to do it. All right, there is some buying momentum coming in, guys. Okay. All right. Got the buyers coming in. But can it sustain it? If it pushes up above 689, then you know the next level is the midline. I mean, all these wicks are just really annoying. Okay, there we go. Can it get out of the congestion? Somebody, please let me know. When you see the moving averages flat like that, that is called a range. I need you to know there's no slope. It's not a slope. That means it's bouncing up and down from one price to another price. A candle has to push it out of that flatland. And that is what we're waiting on. What candle is going to push it out of the flatland? Is it going to push it down into the mud or is it going to push it to the sky? Yep, everything is on a roller coaster. Everything. You know, I just feel like it's struggling going higher though. Like I'm just not. It's doesn't seem like yesterday. It hit a high yesterday and then came tanking down. I mean, everything looked like it was on the roll, and then at the end of the day, it just wiped out half of his gains. I don't think anybody expected that. Okay, what are we doing? XLE is coming down. Tesla's finally cleaning up. It's hitting the midpoint of the box. All right. Okay. What are we doing here? You see, I was just stuttering. It's like, ugh. Okay, it's breaking. Now, this is what people struggle with here. It's called the break, the test, and the retest. I hope you don't struggle with it. Let it break, let it retest. and then let it go. All right, just hit the midline. This is good. So he's pulling back off the midline. So this is called the test. Mm-hmm. And can it hold the midline? But you could have easily bounced level to level off of this. There it goes. It's retesting. Mm-hmm. Still up under the 50 midline. Pushing down. So this is where quick hands come into play, right? If you're just a level trader, the rule was to enter in at 86 and either go down, or 86 and go up to 689. That's the rule. If you just follow the rule, what's my rule? My rule is I do not get in the middle of levels. I don't. So if anyone got in the middle of levels, okay, that's not on me. I just It's not on me. Because I know what happens in the middle of a level. Nothing happens but confusion. Things only happen at levels. So as you can see, it went up to the 50 level, pushed down with momentum. So you have two places that you can enter, either the Fibonacci level or the midline or the box levels on the edges. Those are your rules. Those are definitely your rules. We have 11 minutes down, and as you can see, it's testing that 50 line. If it can break 689, then it might be safe to go to the 688. Levels though. Now it's kind of hovering above the 689 level. Y'all just, all right, I hope you're looking at your charts. So that is essentially a color change event right above the level. If it can hold it, it's probably going to go to the next level, which is 690. Okay. What are we doing, guys? Let's go. If it can break that previous red bar, we're looking at 111 as the next level, or 690.03. I think I'm just blown by how slow it's going up. So this range might be from the bottom to that 50% line and then back to that 86 level. Either way, learn how to ride your levels, or just don't get in at all and just be fascinated. I don't know what you want to do, but either way, I'm here for the whole party. Because some people don't like SPY or Tesla. So that's why I put all these other ones up here. IWM is looking good. SPY is just not looking that great, guys. It has been drama since the day one. You ever met somebody you just know they confused? Ugh, what a waste. Just, I don't know what I want to do with my life. You want to go left or right? I don't know. I'll let you know when the wind blows. That's what SPY is looking like today. No direction. IWM has some direction. Tesla is doing some type of reverse at the 0 level. It's 10:14. All right, guys. So if it breaks below 689, that might be a good area to go for a put to 688. AMD is putting right now. Mm. 689.62. Tesla just looks so clean. I'm liking Tesla. Tesla broke up above that 200 moving average and sustained it. I like it. I feel like SPY is confused because it has so many people arguing with it. So it's a little slower in how it's moving today. Tesla's wicking up at 433.49. So that's 3 bars of breaking at 433.49. Mm. Okay. Still underneath 433.49. Can Tesla hold it? If not, it could possibly come down. All right, it's breaking to 50. If it breaks to 50, then that means this is probably its high of the day. What can we do, Tesla? Tesla is so easy to ride from level to level. Just when you see it in print, you're like, it's easy work. I mean, it almost dang near guarantees a level, and it originated from the level of 425, literally all the way to 433.49. So if you rode Tesla, you could have definitely got that. That was easy today. So for people who are like really, really nervous about trading, you can actually stick to Tesla and do TSLL and do really well, just riding it from level to level. That's pawn down, looks like. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see. GDX, gold, if anybody's interested in gold or silver, is moving up. GDX just got a sign it's going. Okay. Mm-hmm. Ooh, silver is amazing, guys. Gold is amazing. Energy, amazing. XLE, shall we say. Tesla's running into some resistance. So is SPY. It's just caught. It's just caught up. All right. Momentum's coming in, guys. All right. Now remember, every time a ticker breaks out, it has the high possibility of getting rejected. I want you to keep in mind what happened yesterday. There was a lot of sellers hanging out at the party. Yeah. Apple. Sellers are pouring in Apple. Okay. Tesla cannot seem to hold for whatever reason. 1, 2. If it goes below this 50%, if you may want to take profit. Because it gave you its level. That was a $5 level on Tesla. Thank you, Tesla, for that. So if this is your first time coming in, just know we just go level to level so you can decide wherever you want to get in. If it originates from a level, it typically goes to the next level. With SPY, it actually originated from the middle. It was a range from the beginning. So it's very undecided from the moment it came out the gate. Tesla pulled back one time in the morning, jumped out on 425 and did a nice smooth run up to 433. Remember, SPY runs on half levels more so than originating from the 72 or 22. Okay, so this is how many bars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars have rejected 433.49 on Tesla. 6 bars. So that could possibly mean one bar comes in and wipes them all out, or it tanks down. US, look, I just got a note. US stock seesaw. So this no one, if you guys didn't get in, you're smart. You know what I mean? If you didn't get in because you're not really sure where it was going, that's great. That's okay. That's okay. But you guys could have got into silver. You guys could have did QQQ coming down. You guys could have did Tesla. There were actually 3 big opportunities to make some green today. IWM kept going up. It hit our level of 258. I spoke on that this morning. I said it should hit up to 258. It got up to 257.88. $258 was its high, I think, like 3 days ago. SPY, for whatever reason, could not get past its 50% mark in the box. It's trying. It's struggling. A shout out to my Tesla people. I love Tesla. It's toxic, but it'll pay you. It's kind of like a sugar daddy, right? Toxic. But it'll pay you. But it's still just probably no fun to be around. I've never had a sugar daddy, but people I know who've had them, they don't seem very, very happy with them. So I'm gonna go with that. Tesla is that. see. All right. We doing SPY. Tesla's looking fantastic. It just broke the 433. Remember, test and retest. Test and retest. It breaks it, it pulls back, and then it goes higher or lower. That's the rule. Get that tattooed on you somewhere. Test and retest. That's why you don't ever buy at the high because it will pull down. Did y'all know that? Okay. If Tesla can find some more momentum, it may do 437.48. Let me make the mark for you. For my Tesla people. And 435 is its next goal. I had such high hopes for SPY today, but it just didn't pan out. Not yet, at least. I don't have much morning that I can wait on that. I'm just there's other Tesla is the winner for me today. Tesla was just smooth, guys. I promise you, it's almost like you cannot lose with Tesla. It's just I can't explain it. It's just so clean, level to level. Oh, my dog's hanging out. Okay, now. Somebody decided to be bold and put in Tesla puts for whatever reason. Go figure. Man, my cost paper straddle hit. Oh, yay. Cost is so weird, Lee. But it's a staple. Cost is a staple. One time cost didn't do anything one time. I think if I prepare and then it doesn't do anything, I just never do it again. I just go forget it. Just forget it. Congratulations on your paper trade. Was it earnings? I think so. Or maybe it wasn't. Uh-oh, guys. Somebody just put in a 570,000 order on SPX, 473 order on SPX. Oh, buddy. The puts are coming in on flow. Oh, geez. Monthly sales. Oh. Well, let's try it then, Lee. I'm here for a good Costco. I love Costco. All right, we got 2 minutes left. Tesla did great today. Let me tell y'all what Tesla did. If you guys got in, congratulations. I'm here to help you ride Tesla from level to level so you do not have to get intimidated by it. Oh, there we go. Tesla info line. All right. So if you wrote it here to here, that was a $7 freaking move, guys. Congratulations. Y'all did that. If you didn't get in on Tesla or TSL, I don't know what you were doing because it was perfect. It was perfection. I just let Tesla go there because it's always going to go level to level. If you never know what to trade, just trade Tesla from level to level and you'll be fine. All right, we got 1 more minute before we sign off. And I'm so glad I didn't. I'm tardy to the party. Sorry. Well, don't worry. We'll be here tomorrow. And I'm sure Tesla will be waiting for another level move. It's trusty, dusty, and toxic. Yes. Trusty, dusty, toxic Tesla. All right. So thank you for joining me, you guys. And I will talk to you soon. XLE is dumping. All right. And we're out. Take care.